at these two beautiful cats in here. Hi, Archie. Hi, Tully. Hello. Look at them. I know. How are you? Huh? This is Tully. And that's Tully. Hi, Tully. Did you eat? Where's Archie? Archie, come here. Archie. Oh, there's Archie. There's Archie. Oh, you like fresh water? Yeah. Yeah. Archie. Yes, that's Archie.